Welcome to Lagupata from Solve the Virtual Labs. The objective of this simulation is to evaluate the toughness of aggregates to break down under the application of impact and to determine aggregate impact value of the given sample of aggregate. The setup used for this simulation is shown here. To understand the terminologies, click on the description here which has been highlighted in red. Throughout the simulation, to proceed to the further steps, please click on this arrow shown below. Switch on the weighing machine and click on the pan to place it in the weighing machine. Click on the tare to clear the weight. Click here to take coarse aggregate in a pan and measure it to 350 gram using the weighing balance. Select the answer for this pop-up question to proceed to the next steps. Click OK. Arrange the sieves in a decreasing order of their size, where the pan is placed at the bottom. Click on the weighed coarse aggregate to be transferred into the sieves. Close the lid of the sieves. Place the set of sieves in the mechanical shaker and lock them in its position. Switch on the shaker. Allow it to shake for 10 minutes. Remove the set of sieves from the mechanical shaker. Open the lid. Collect the coarse aggregate retained in the 10 mm sieve in a separate container. Click here to transfer the sieves in the separate container. Switch on the weighing machine and click on tare to clear the weight. Click on this cylinder and note down the empty weight of the cylinder, that W1. Click on the trowel to fill the cylinder with the aggregates retained from the sieve. Click on the tamping rod here to tamp each layer of the aggregates. Similarly, we follow the same process for another 4 layers. Click here to flatten the top layer. Select the correct answer in the pop-up question to proceed to the next step. Switch on the weighing machine by clicking on. Click on tare to clear the weight. Click on the cylinder with the aggregates to transfer it into the weighing machine and note down the weight of the cylinder along with the aggregates, that is W2. Click on the cylinder to place it in the impact test machine. Click on the screw to release the hammer in order to apply impact load. 15 blows are given at an interval of not less than 1 second. Click on the screw to stop applying the load. Transfer the aggregates to the sieve of 2.36 mm. Click here to transfer it to the sieve. Close the lid. Place this set of sieves in the mechanical shaker machine. Lock them in their position in the shaker. Switch on the mechanical shaker. Remove the sieve from the mechanical shaker. Open the lid. Select the correct answer for the pop-up question. Press OK to proceed to the next step. Place a pan in the weighing machine and switch on the weighing machine. Click on the tare to clear the weight. Note down the weight of aggregate passing through 2.36 mm. That is W3. These are the observation and result for the current simulation that has been conducted. We can calculate the impact test value by using this formula. Enter the calculated value here. Check for the result. Select the proper answer to proceed to the next step.